the what are the duties in this the electrotechnical officer has to check. He has to check the items in this daily rounds. Switchboard and feeder panels. He has to check the insulation resistance of the all panels and carry out a lamp test of all panels. He can measure. He can see the insulation resistance on these online monitors also. Next is alternator. He has to check the load current, output voltage and bearing temperature and oil levels, air filters. These are the checks he has to do on alternator. Marine growth prevention system, MGBS, shortly you can call as MGBS. Check for normal flow rate and normal currents of the copper and ferric electrodes. Next, shaft grounding device. Make sure that the shaft grounding device meter should read 0 when the shaft is not rotating, and between 0 and 50 milliamps when the main engine is running. Lighting in the engine room. Make sure check that all the lights in good order. Also check that protection covers or guards in good order. Same lighting in accommodation spaces. Same, check all the lights in good orders and the protection covers and guards in good order. Lighting in control station, workspaces, steering room and other spaces. Make sure that all lights are in working good, and check that protection covers and guards, and all the cables must be in good order. No exposed wire, heavy corrosion, especially on the weather deck. Emergency cables. Check all the emergency cable are in good condition. No exposed wires, heavy corrosion. Emergency lights. Check all lights in good order without any damage. Anti-explosion lights in dangerous spaces like pump room, battery room, paint locker. Check all the lights. If the lights must be in good condition. Check if there any busted lights, then he has to replace. And no broken covers and guards. Tightening handles must be available on board. Insulating mats around the MSP, main switchboard and other location. Insulating mats must available on board, or insulation cement permanently laid on the floor. Insulation resistance. Make sure that no alarm of any low insulation. If any low insulation alarm will get, then he has to check on 440 and 220 and 24 DC panels. Emergency generator. Make sure that emergency generator operates satisfactorily. Check also the first and second starting arrangements are in good order. Emergency or common batteries. Check all the batteries in good order. Check also the specific gravity of acid, liquid level and terminal voltages are within limits, and maintenance records are also updated. Make sure that the terminals must be applied with this petroleum jelly. Next part is incinerator. Check the incinerator is satisfactorily working, and all the alarms and interlocks are functioning, and also check that warning and instruction plates are installed as required. These are the routines in this electrotechnical officer